Welcome to another G-Thentic review. Today we're taking a look at a Bluetooth transmitter from a company called Fossi Audio. So I have this TV and I have a Bluetooth speaker. However, my TV has optical audio output and it also has a headphone output jack, but no Bluetooth built into the TV. My speaker also doesn't have an auxiliary input connection. So basically, I'm only able to use the built-in audio from the TV. It's just one of those small 32-inch TVs. So how do we solve this problem? Simply by using a Bluetooth transmitter / receiver. Basically, it allows you to connect a Bluetooth device, such as a speaker, to a TV which doesn't have Bluetooth, or conversely, to connect a speaker which doesn't have Bluetooth to a device which does. So does it work? Short answer, yes, it works wonderfully. It should also be fairly compatible with most TVs because inside the box you'll get a cable that allows you to connect using RCA connectors, a headphone jack, or the optical audio output from your TV. To get started, I used the included USB cable and I connected it to the USB port on my TV. If you don't have a USB port, you could just use any normal USB charging brick to power it up. But for me, it was quite convenient because I had that USB port. So just connect that power cable and then I plugged it into the TV. And these are some of the cables that you have here. So you notice there is a RX in and a TX in. That's for the receiver or transmitter. So receiver if you're connecting to a speaker with an aux input jack, and transmitter if you're trying to receive the audio from a TV or another Bluetooth device. This is the included RCA cable. It works in conjunction with the headphone cable. You just connect it there and you have your RCA input or output depending on what device you're connecting it to. On the front of the device you have the power button, the mode button, the input selection and A/B, as well as your volume buttons. So of course, once you have everything connected, you just press and hold the power button to turn it on and it goes into the last mode that it was used. You could just press the mode button to switch between receive, transmit and bypass. Now the bypass mode is used, for instance, if you want to connect the optical output of a device to another device that has an aux jack, for instance, so you're not using the Bluetooth feature. To start pairing, you just press and hold the A and B buttons together and that will allow it to go into pairing mode. You could see the RX light blinking there and there it appears on my iPad. So I'm just going to push the Fossi Audio BT 05 and it will connect, and it's connected. So let's go ahead and test it out. Also notice that the A button is lit, and that's because you're allowed to connect two devices at once, and then you could press the A or B button to switch between those devices. Now since I have my iPad connected, I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to transmit mode, because what I want is for this device to transmit the audio from my iPad to the Bluetooth speaker. So I'm just going to turn it on and put it into pairing mode. So the speaker is now in pairing mode, and then I'm going to press the A and B buttons together on the Fossi Audio transmitter, and then that should automatically pair to the speaker. And as you just heard the chime there, the speaker is now paired to the transmitter, and you can see from the light here now glowing red and the one on top of it no longer blinking. I've also gone ahead and connected the iPad via the auxiliary input cable. So I'll just press and hold to switch to the auxiliary input, and then I'll be able to play the audio using that. Alright, so quick correction, the receiver should be in receive mode actually, because we're receiving the audio that we're going to be sending out to the speaker. So I'm just using GarageBand here to play some quick sound bites, and you can take a listen for yourself. So quick recap, the receive mode is what you want to use to send audio to a Bluetooth speaker from a non-Bluetooth device, and the transmit mode is what you use to send audio from a Bluetooth device to a non-Bluetooth speaker. So what do you think of this Bluetooth transmitter / receiver? Is it something you're interested in? Let me know in the comment section below. Links will be provided in the description. Thanks again for checking out another G-Thentic review. See you in the next one. If you haven't already subscribed, please go right ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.